Assalamualaikum. We are from ASG Enterprise Group. My name is Muhammad Zikri Mustaqim bin Anwar.
My name is Nur Badrisha binti Asmawi.
My name is Muhammad Akmal Irfan bin Muhammad Fidaus.
My name is Isma binti Ismail.
Today we want to share about our company proposal. Introduction. ASG Enterprise is a company incorporated in Malaysia since December 2022. 100% fully owned by Bumi Putra and Registered Contractor Service Centre. Class A and the Construction Industry Development Board CIDB Grade G6. The establishment of this company is to serve the work of mechanical and electrical engineering to the agency, government department, local authorities, government and the private sector. The SG Enterprise has management expertise consists of director and management team with extensive experience in the sector of public work engineering and mechanical and electrical engineering as well as related. The company goal is to provide customer satisfaction in quality of work while ensuring that the project can be implemented and complete accountable at its best. Our mission is to be a leader in the air conditioning industry, pledged and committed to related servicing area with the mission of providing standard in quality, efficiency, cost effectiveness, and safety which comply with the latest technology. To provide the best maintenance, servicing, and repair of air conditioner while providing an opportunity to our customer to benefit from world-class air conditioning technical expertise. Our vision is to develop ASG Enterprise into a company with advanced state-of-the-art technologies and providing quality services that exceed the expectation of our valued customers. And then our core values, we believe in treating each and every customer with honesty, dignity, and courtesy. Our marketing strategy. Create a website. Hvac companies need an Hvac website optimized for search so that prospective customer can easily find them. The site should also be mobile friendly so that it is easy to access from a smartphone. Then build a relatable brand. A strong brand is more than just a logo and some nice looking business card. It's a promise to your customer that you and your team will consistently deliver on their expectation. Your brand should be clear and consistent, conveying what you do and why you do it in a way that feel authentic and genuine. Host local event. Hosting local event is a great HVAC marketing strategy to promote your local HVAC business and establish yourself as an industry leader. Here are some reasons why you should host local business event. You can meet new people interested in your company, local service. You can present your skill, making potential client more confident in your ability to solve their problem. You can network with other professionals in the industry, which could lead to referral or partnership down the line. It will help people get to know who you are and what you do before they even hire you. Even hire your service. Our services. We offer a wide range of both commercial and domestic air conditioning, refrigeration, and electrical services for all jobs. Here, while local choose ASG Enterprise to take care of them each summer. All of the biggest brand in air conditioning product, various air conditioner system to choose from, including ducted air conditioning installation, split system, multi-head split system, and ceiling air conditioner. Refrigeration and electrical work, repair and maintenance, experienced and licensed technician and installer. Interest-free payment plan, 100% customer focus.
Our objective. We are ready to offer installation split unit and chiller system, supply part of aircon system, repair split unit and chiller system, service split unit and chiller system, chiller dismantling and assembly workers, checking and replacement electrical part, checking and repair pump system and piping. Met our team. Akmal Irfan, CEO and founder. Aiman Kai sebagai manager, Arisma sebagai financial, Batrisha sebagai admin, dan Zikri Mustaqi sebagai engineer. Ini adalah salah satu sertifikat yang kami dapat daripada CADB. Certificate of Registration. Dan kami juga telah mendapat Certificate of Government Procurement. Dan pada tahun 2021 kami telah mendapat Certificate of Achievement. Kami juga telah mendapat Certificate of Master of Finance. Dan pada tahun 2015 kami telah mendapat MS ISO 9001. Kami juga dapat MS ISO 14001 pada tahun 2015.
Okay, ini adalah financial proposal of our company. Ini quotation untuk company kami buat normal service. Which is the item is 4-way ceiling cassette split unit. Ada 2. And di sini ada berlainan horsepower dan kilowatt dia. Di sini adalah jumlah kos yang kami buat lah untuk normal service. Ini adalah di mana kami membuat chemical service. Sama juga. Jenis dia adalah 4-way ceiling cassette. Ceiling concealed ducted split unit. So ini adalah jumlah kos dia, capacity dia, quantity dan kos unit dia berapa. Ini adalah domestic air conditioning yang kami buat repair. Jadi item dia coil sensor, room sensor convention. Ini horsepower dia. Dan yang kedua, compressor capacitor replacement for non-inverter. Ini adalah horsepower dia. Ketiga, fan capacitor conversion on IC board. Dan ini horsepower dia, total cost dia berapa. Yang keempat, IC board conversion. Kelima, compressor conversion. And last kali, top up refrigerant. Kami juga menggunakan 2 refrigerant ya. Itu R22 dan R410A. Ini adalah air conditioning transfer split unit. Jenis aircon dia adalah cassette, wall mount, chilling conceal and chilling expose. Dan ini adalah domestic air conditioning installation price schedule untuk tahun 2022. Ini adalah harga yang mengikut jenis-jenis aircon dan kapasitinya.
Working requirement. Ini adalah jenis requirement yang kami ada dan kuantiti yang kami sediakan. Receipt, type of receipt, kami ada Mitsubishi Titan, Nissan, Venator C22, Skyleaf Versace, Mitsubishi Fuso, One Tem. Mengikut terms and condition. According to the terms of this agreement, both parties agreed that the contractor should carry out the work list in the agreement. One, our party must ensure that the agreement and safety are complete and provided. Transportation, apart for the our party will be ready to start work at 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Two, with the payment to be made by the owner to the contractor. The contractor agreed to carry out complete, including repairing any defect and maintain the contract works following the condition set forth in this contract. Three, the owner agreed to pay the contractor, but evaluate the work in offering. The work in thing of implementation, completion, including fixing or defect, by offering the cost of free repair and maintenance of work that have been set for a fixed price categories as lump sum, based on sum as the set quotation amount. For the contractor guarantee to the owner that he has all the skill, experience and expertise of a experienced contractor in carrying out the duty. Tasks and conditions started under this agreement, including but not limited to planning, coordination and management in carry out works in this agreement. With the agreement that has been made, the owner of the agreement with the contractor.
Okay, ni adalah contoh Allah Akbar. Ni contoh apa ni ah? Quotation kan?
Ini tempat yang kita buat servis.
Ni adalah contoh servis-servis kami pada sekolah Mahat Kiblah Bandar Seri Putra. Kita ada 3 jenis supplier, spare part dan aircon baru. Ini adalah contoh-contoh harga daripada sekolah tersebut. Okay, next. Cost dan service maintenance untuk sekolah tersebut. Ini adalah harga untuk servis chemical dan normal mengikut horsepower. Preventive maintenance, nationwide maintenance dan Berhad. Complete annual maintenance for window and air conditioner with 1.5 and 2.2 horsepower, including cleaning, oiling, greasing, servicing, and motor compressor repair, among other things.
Comprehensive, the annual maintenance fee for 1.5 and 2 horsepower split unit air conditioner cover cleaning, lubrication, maintenance, grease application, motor compressor repair, among other things. Comprehensive, the annual maintenance fee for 1.5 horsepower and 2 horsepower cassette air conditioner, including service, oiling, cleaning, greasing, and repair to the compressor and motor, among other things. Comprehensive, the annual maintenance fee for 10-ton cassette air conditioner, including servicing, oiling, cleaning, greasing, and repairs to the compressor and motor, among other things. Comprehensive, the annual maintenance fee for 12-ton cassette air conditioner, include service, oiling, cleaning, greasing. Ni semua harga yang seperti yang saya sebut tadi lah. Next. Cost of inspection, installation, repairing, HMI maintenance and driver. New compressor. Ni new compressor kira harga untuk setiap horsepower. Fan motor, gas charging, installation of new aircon, shifting and reinstallation new air conditioner, inclusive of gas filling, supply of extra copper pipe. Yang harga tu seperti yang saya sebut tadi. Ini adalah quotation. Kami membuat installation labor charge, 6 feet copper tube wiring installation untuk 1 horsepower. Bilik 2 installation labor charge, wire installation PVC pipe air conceal untuk 1 horsepower. Bilik tetamu installation labor charge, 6 feet copper tube wire installation PVC pipe air conceal. Next. Ruang makan, installation labor charge, installation PVC pipe air conceal. Ruang tamu pun sama, cuma panjang kupa 12 feet, tambah 6 feet jadi extra ada 18 feet. Master bedroom pun sama, lebih kurang cuma 9 feet tambah 6 feet tu ada extra 15 feet kat situ. So kami buat conceal job, copper tube, wire installation dan PVC pipe. So total dalam RM2,960 untuk kerja-kerja tersebut lah. Terms of payment, 50% upon confirmation order, balance 50% after job is complete. All checks should be crossed and made payable to Galaxy Cool Resource, subject to condition on site. Price quote for the specific quantity and specification indicate in description and as above. Any extra task not in the list above will quote separately. Please do not hesitate to cause. Ini adalah detail daripada Galaxy Cool Resource. Next. Kan dah abad. Ni contoh quotation lah. Daripada 16 Jalan Niaga Bestari 4 Puncak Bestari Bandar Puncak Alam. Kami membuat. Okay. Ini adalah quotation Jalan Pergaga F12/F Desa Alam.